In a small town, there lived a boy named Liam. Liam loved playing outside, but there wasn't a good park near his house. The only place to play was an old, empty lot full of weeds and trash. One day, Liam had an idea. He thought, what if we turn the empty lot into a park? Excited, he shared his idea with his parents. They thought it was wonderful and suggested that he talk to their neighbors about it. Liam knocked on each door in the neighborhood. "Hello, I'm Liam," he said. "I think we should turn the empty lot into a park. What do you think?" Everyone agreed it was a great idea. Together, they made a plan. First, they needed to clean the lot. Liam and his friends picked up trash and pulled out the weeds. Some adults helped, too. Next, they planted flowers and trees. Mrs. Johnson, who loved gardening, brought beautiful flowers. Mr. Lee, who was good with tools, built benches and a playground. Everyone contributed in some way. The mayor of the town heard about the project and visited the lot. He was very impressed. "This is fantastic," he said. "The town will help you finish the park." The town provided more plants, a fountain, and even some swings. Soon, the empty lot was transformed into a beautiful park with colorful flowers, tall trees, and fun playground equipment. On the day of the park's grand opening, everyone gathered to celebrate. The mayor gave a speech. "Thanks to Liam and the hard work of our community, we now have a wonderful park for everyone to enjoy." Liam felt proud as he looked around the park. Children were playing, families were having picnics, and the neighborhood was filled with laughter and joy. Liam realized that when people work together, they can make a big difference.